We were asking during the commercial break, we saw at 5 a.m. it downgrade to a 4. Any chance of it going back up? And I only ask this because the storm has been so steady and strong.
Yeah, it has been really strong. It's not out of the realm of possibility because the waters are so warm,
right?
But it is forecast to stay a Category 4 as it approaches South Florida. Okay. So we're going to be watching it very closely. And, you know, it's still a major hurricane, although it is no longer a Category 5. And this is as of the 5 o'clock advisory. So I do want to bring you these updates as much as I can. It's 495 miles just southeast of Miami, Florida. Still a Category 4. It's near the Turks and Caicos, and notice it's going to continue on a northwesterly track before curving off to the north. Early Sunday morning, it is expected to be near South Florida. It will continue across the peninsula, but notice weakening because whenever hurricanes are over land, they don't like land. They like to stay over water. So the land will weaken the storm. So then by, say, Tuesday morning, over Atlanta as a tropical storm, and then becoming post-tropical as it approaches Tennessee and also Kentucky into early Wednesday morning. We're not in this cone, and remember that storm can shift anywhere within this cone. Although we're not within the cone, we could still see some effects from it. And those effects, mainly some rain, gusty winds. Also, we'll have to watch our water levels as well. Hurricane Irma, I do want to show you a different path here, or a different sort of model consensus, because the model's doing a pretty good job of saying, okay, this is what we think is going to happen. It will travel across the peninsula of Florida, but then once it gets really over to, say, Georgia, also Tennessee, it sort of spreads out where it thinks the storm will go by that point. And that's why the cone is so large once it gets over land. But I want to talk about some threats here. The main threats, it looks like, for our area will be the tides, and that's mainly into Tuesday. So early Tuesday, lasting into Tuesday evening. Again, some rain and also some windy conditions with those gusts up anywhere over 30 miles per hour. And then the tornado risk remains pretty low, but that's mainly again into Tuesday. So closer to home, we are nice and dry. Nothing to worry about today as we push through the rest of this morning. Looking pretty good. Temperatures quickly climbing into the low and middle 70s by lunchtime. By the afternoon, mid to upper 70s. And then if you have any plans this evening, we'll drop back into the mid 60s farther inland, closer to 70 at the coast. Now, overnight tonight into Saturday morning, also shaping up pretty good. We'll start off with plenty of sunshine. 50s farther inland, 60s at the coast. So another cool night. Open the windows, give the AC a break. And then by the afternoon hours, I do think Futurecast overdoing the rain chances here. We'll likely see some more clouds by tomorrow afternoon. Rain chances pretty low, only about 10 to 15%. Temperatures in the low 70s. And then by Saturday evening, we'll drop back into the 50s and 60s by, say, 8, 9 o'clock. So for today, 77 degrees, mostly sunny, very pleasant. 61 tonight with 50s farther inland. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. 73 on Saturday and Sunday. More clouds build in late Sunday into Monday. And then we're watching Irma, especially late Monday into Tuesday. And again, the main threats we're seeing here, showers, breezy conditions. Also, we'll watch those tides as well.